Good day, friends and family. Welcome to Laid Back Cooking with Nana. It's our McCain stir fry mix. Then we have onion, half a green pepper, 3 cloves of garlic. Then we have our steak, our chili flakes, our oil, and I'm gonna put some noodles in. This is the Maggi noodles. I just cook for the family today. But then I was thinking, okay, stir fry the quickest. So this is the amount of oil that I'm putting in, a quarter cup of oil. Now I'm going to let it get warm. I'm going to let it get warm. And I want to show you, I didn't, I didn't mince my garlic. I just cut it up. I like it like in pieces for my stir fry. So that is that. I hope everyone is well and good, and your week has been good so far. My week was like up and down. Guys, I don't have gloves on. I ran out of gloves. I'm waiting for my gloves to come. I ordered, and I'm waiting for the people to phone me, but no one phoned me yet. So maybe by the weekend. Yeah, so I'll add my onions. You will see I didn't cut my onions small. I cut it in just in half, then I cut it up. So yeah, I'll put my onions and my garlic in. And now I want to make quick food today. Quick. And it's later. Of course, so I was busy today. I didn't feel so well today. I think it's my tonsils acting up. So ik moet gauw kos maak now. I like to put some noodles in my stir fry. It makes it more, and it makes they will get fuller from the noodles. And I just hope this thing goes good now. Gauw kos maak man. Die mense is honger. Dit is gezegd lekker so lekker. So yeah, the baby keeps me busy also during the day. So yeah, you know my mommy, when she makes the, used to make, she don't make such a lot of food anymore, which is in the 70s already. But when she used to make a stir fry, she only used fresh vegetables. Carrots was fresh, the broccoli was fresh. When you go buy it by the market, and everything was fresh in her stir fry. She didn't believe in this packet of stuff. She buys fresh stuff. But you know, I also like my fresh stuff. But I don't have time now to wait long. Gauw kos maak nog. Gauw. So normally I put my plate on a lower heat. But like I said, I'm in a hurry now. So I want everything to be quick. And in stir fry, you don't add water. You don't add water in stir fry because it's stir fry. If you add water, it's gonna be like a bread. It's not gonna be nice, and The way the Chinamans make it, Kusela, the Chinese market so much. Now I'm gonna try to make it like them tonight because I'm in a hurry. And if you're in a hurry, then stuff down. It's not the same. But I can't help it now. The baby was a little bit moody today. And I didn't feel so liquor today with my tonsils. So yeah. You see I put it on a lower heat. Now it's slower. And I can't deal with this now. I can't deal with the slowness now. So ons eet vandag 'n kos. Dit gaan lekker proe. Dit kan nog altyd dieselfde proe. So yeah. Please guys, like and subscribe and leave a comment. I'm open to read, I'm open to listen, and I'm open to respond. So I'm going to use spaghetti. But like I said, I'm in a hurry now, so spaghetti I have to cook. And I don't have time for that now. So 2-minute noodles must do. So this is the texture. I like my 2-minute noodles. Can you see? It must still be stuff, not soggy, not pop. Nice. Put in my steak. Okay. Stir it. Getting it warm now. The pan is now warm here. Oh. Yes, I like my steak. And Shoprite steak is nice. Is it Shoprite steak? Don't make a lot of food too much because it's just us. So how was your guys' week so far? Any adventures happened? Any new things happened? My week was very slow and you look after baby. It's always adventurous because that baby keeps you busy. You see how it looks now? Wonderful. Let's go. This is how it looks now. Yeah. The babies always keep you busy with their moods. In the jungle food. Oh no. Sizzling. It's sizzling, guys. Oh, I can smell it. I don't put soya sauce. Can you see the smell? I don't want to make it too salty. I do not put my chili flakes. I love my chili flakes. And when I have Worcester sauce, I put some Worcester sauce in, but I don't have Worcester sauce. So I'm not going to worry with Worcester sauce tonight. I'm not going to worry with the Worcester sauce. I'm just going to do with this. So yeah, let's just do. Oh, dat ik ga je likken. It smells so good. Guys, this is my share my channel, right? I'm new. And for me, if you want me to cook and tell you the stories and I want to get other people on my channel, you need to like and you need to subscribe and you need to tell other people about this channel. I was speaking today to my niece. She said to me, Auntie Chantal, you know what? I like what you're doing. I didn't post yet. Told me, Auntie Chantal, I like I like your channel. It's gonna be very nice. I said, why? You know I can cook. She said, yes, I know, but you make me laugh. You can't pronounce the stuff right. I like that. I like the humor in it. So I said, okay, Zoe. You see? Can you see? I just want to see if the steak, must I cook it more? I think I must cook it a little bit more. I'm gonna put in my vegetables now. My stir fry vegetables is still frozen, but that is fine because when I put my noodles in, there will be some activity that will keep my noodles to make my noodles more softer. The thing is warm. You see? Yeah. Oh, nice. You must stir fry everything must be off. The vegetables mustn't be too puffed, too soggy. The vegetables must be like chewy. You must feel what you chew. I like it like that. That's the way I like it. The vegetables must be so chewy, not too soggy. It's not nice when it's soggy. So yes. Oh, it looks so nice. You see, some of the iciness came, went, got on frozen already, and there's a little waterish in the pan. So I'm just gonna close it so for 2 minutes. If the steam can get through the vegetables, and then I'll I'll add my noodles. Then my food is done. Then my family can eat. So yes, like I said, my mom used to make stir fry for us, but then she used the fresh vegetables, and she always make it with she made it with chicken breast. Then she cut the chicken breast up. She peel all her vegetables, cut it up in a nice size for the stir fry, and then she make it like that. And my mom is one of the women that can make the best food I ever tasted. And she's 72 years old now, 73, and she's not into making food anymore. And she will always tell me, "You're not lekker, Danny. Nothing nice there." Oh, my daddy like to ask. He asked me on Sunday, "No sweet snacks there." It's a sultan, and he loves biryani. I think when I'm gonna make biryani, I'll make it for him and some for the house. I'll tell him he must come be my taste tester. Yeah. All the grandchildren call Ma and Papa, but all the grandchildren, the boys and the girls, they're so in love with Papa. Papa have the same heart like his mommy had. That kindness, that gentleness, the softness. Everyone just loved my grandma, and my daddy had that same heart, that same spirit. Everyone loved him. Everyone that knows him loved him. And whoever knows um me. Say in the comments you know me and you know who's my daddy, and you will tell the people there if I'm talking the truth about my daddy. But yes, I is my pa. So I think it's right, ready now. I'm gonna give it another steam. I think I must give it another steam as well. Let's try and see this. So icy pot here. I want it ice. When I put the noodles in, because it's not gonna be long, I'm just gonna give the noodles one steam. I don't want the noodles to be soggy. Yeah. Didn't know it's past 7 already. It's late. Oh, yeah, there's it right now. Now I'm gonna add my noodles. And then we can bismillah. Thank you, Lord. We put in our noodles. Put in my noodles. Oh, yes. You will see in my other videos, um, I didn't ask anyone to taste my food because the time when I make the food is early morning. And there's no one to taste my food, and I don't want to taste my food because you know when you make food, you're not always hungry after that. Like now, I'm not hungry now. I don't know if my son or my husband will get onto the video. I don't know if they're there yet. Say, leave a comment. But anyway, I know it's right. I know it's liquor. And they will tell me liquor afterwards. So yes. Oh, it looks to be right. It looks divine. Of my channel. Can you see? Oh, like liquor now. What my channel is about. Like I said in the first video, I'm a housewife. I look after a baby. But like I said, the baby gets big. And when the children start to walk and talk, then their mommies and daddies want to put them in a creche. That's understandable because the children must get used to other children and other environment. So I was thinking about this channel for a long time, and it was always my heart's desire to do this food channel. And not just food, I want to focus on other stuff also, but this moment is food. But I want to tell stories of my childhood. I want to talk about um, how life has treated me, what was all the challenges that I went through, and how I overcome my challenges by making food. And for me, to be behind the pots is like therapy. So yes, so my channel is inviting everyone to come see what I make, see how I do my way, and what I add by my stuff to make it more spicier, spice it up, and to listen to the stories. Now, okay, people, I will try to get grandmas, nanas on my channel that can make a dish and tell me about their life story. And I will also like to have one or two in case on my channel. Now for me, an in case is a Nana's kid. And by that, what I mean, a Nana's kid is wanneer die ouma die kind grootgemaak het. When the mommy, the eldest child, die ouma het mos gelyk om die ouer kind te hou. As die mammy trou of die mammy trek, dan wil die ouma die oudste kind hou. Now that's an in-kay for me. And I would like one or two or three or more of the in-kays to come on to make a dish and tell us about the experience of growing up with a grandma and without a mother or father. And yes, that is what the aim is for my channel. So I'm going to give it one stir now, and then I'm going to dish up and give you the end result. Oh yes, can you see now? Oh, can you hear this? If you hear that sizzle, you must know it's stir fry. It's stir fry. Oh, lovely. Need to shut up plate down. Just for the people to see how it looks when it's in a plate. And I'll give it to my family because I just pay honger. So lot. The reda que la salto pues va a pegar. I don't feel like a bed. So this is the end results. I want to thank everyone for being part of my with this adventure with laid back cooking with Nana. I want to thank you all. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I will go through it and enjoy your evening further. Toodles!